I am introducing an aluminium based interior work. That means everything in aluminium in this apartment. This is a 2 BHK apartment where we have done everything in aluminium. That means like this is a shoe rack, drink the shoe rack. Here is a TV unit. We'll go one by one. Here everything is made of aluminium. You can see the steps. Everything is aluminium and a very good finishing. Okay. And here is the TV unit. The TV will come in the middle of the portion. Okay. Now we are into kitchen. You can see the kitchen here. Everything is made of aluminium. No wooden particle, so that there is nothing to worry about termites or any other issues. You can see the finishing of the kitchen. This is stainless steel, fully steel cutlery. You can see the plain basket. Here you can see the bottle pull out where you can keep the pullouts. And another thing is like you can see the bottom is tile and back side is the wall, so that if there is any leakage you can easily spot out. Here you can see one more basket. This is the wall unit. You can see the wall unit finishing. You can see the racks, and here you can see the loft. So overall, it's no wood in this kitchen. Here is the wardrobes. You can see the wardrobe, 3-door wardrobe with the mirror here. You can see the mirror, and loft above that one. You can see how it works. It's having a lock. This side we are having shelf even. It's a soft closing. Okay. Here you can get two drawers into the curtain rod, and here you will get one. And all are soft closing. You can see it's going slowly closed. This is the wardrobe again, 3-door wardrobe. And here you can see the wash counter, cabinet, and a glass shower partition. See the shower partition. Here is a sliding window for the utility sliding window.